How to add funds to your MetaMask account or wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add funds to your MetaMask in an easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to MetaMask, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to add funds, you have to click here on those three lines here, click on them, and now click add funds here. As you can see, now you can buy Ethereum or request payment, and that's it. And also you can receive from here. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.